How to fix Instagram you can't send messages for 3 days easily and fast. All what you wanna do guys is very simple. First thing, open the Instagram app, go to your profile, go here and then click on the settings. Now this is the settings on your Instagram. All what you wanna do on this page is click on the help option like this, and then go to the report a problem right here. Now click on report problem without checking. Now let's wait a few seconds, it will take you to this page. All what you want to do here is click on take a screenshot to take a screenshot or into the Instagram, or you can click on gallery and then put your problem that you have and the message that you got. Briefly explain what happened or what's not working, and after you send them the message, click next and they will answer you as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.